I'm attorney Ben Schwartz, and thanks for watching. We're going to do a video today on letters of protection. I got an email from another attorney. She wrote in, she essentially said, "Hi, my name is Jennifer. I'm an attorney. I'm new in practice, and I just started handling personal injury cases. I have a client who went to his doctor for medical treatment for injuries from the accident. The doctor is refusing to bill his health insurance and instead is demanding that the client / patient sign and I sign a letter of protection. Is this normal?" Jennifer, in a car accident case, if there's personal injury protection benefits or med pay, or no fault benefits, depending on whatever the state where the accident happened calls them, then that's what you're going to use for medical treatment. Unfortunately, some states, not everyone has personal injury protection or med pay or no fault benefits. Also, in some states, the minimum required benefits are so low that if the client went to the hospital, got discharged, went to their doctor, by the time they got to their doctor, there's nothing left to pay for medical treatment, and the doctor's in a position where they have to bill health insurance. Health insurance always gives doctors a problem when they're paying for treatment relating to a car accident or other personal injury type of case. Also, health insurance, depending on the type of health insurance, may not pay enough to adequately compensate the doctor. I know doctors that complain to me that if they do, let's say, an injection procedure and their reimbursement comes from the patient's Medicaid insurance, the reimbursement the doctor receives is less than what it costs them to do the injection procedure in an ambulatory surgery center. And so what doctors tend to do in car accident cases or other personal injury cases is they tend to want to just hold their bills and get paid from the patient or the client's auto accident settlement or slip and fall settlement or dog bite settlement or what have you. And the way they do that is they give the patient what's called a letter of protection. A letter of protection is a letter or a contract that says, hey, we're going to provide you with medical treatment. You're going to pay us back for the medical treatment when you get your settlement. And it's something that the doctor's office or the physical therapy office or the chiropractor's office is going to want you as their patient's lawyer to sign. And this is something that happens in a lot of cases. It's not anything that is abnormal. I would tell you that I think if it's my client, I want to keep an eye on the medical expenses. And I also want to keep in contact with my client, periodically to evaluate whether they're getting some bang for their buck. In other words, if they're going to a doctor and the doctor's treating them and they're just going to the doctor and going to the doctor and going to the doctor, and the medical bills are coming up and up and up, but the patient reports to me or the client reports to me that they're not getting any really good benefit from that care, then why are they going and getting it? You see, when people normally go to the hospital or people normally go to the doctor, they're not paying cash for the service that they're receiving. And so it's not like when you go to a restaurant and you sit down, you look at the menu, and the lobster tail dinner is $39.99, but the hamburger dinner is $12.99, and you get to make a decision, how much do you want to spend and what benefit do you want to receive? It's not like that. People go to the doctor says, do this, do that. People do it. They never really give any consideration to the cost. But if the treatment is being given under a letter of protection, then I encourage my clients to try and keep an eye on the cost and make sure that you're getting good value for the money that you're going to be spending out of your settlement. So if you've been getting injection procedures and you're not getting results, you're not getting relief from these expensive injection procedures, why are you continuing to get injection procedures? If you're getting adjusted by your chiropractic physician and you're getting it 3 times a week, but you're not getting any better and months have gone by, why are you continuing to get the treatment and run up the bills when you're not getting value? That money comes out of your settlement if you're the client. That money comes out of your settlement if you're the patient. And so what you want to do is you want to know how much the medical treatment's costing, and you want to make sure that you're getting good value. you're getting good relief from the treatment, or you're getting some benefit here from the treatment that you're receiving, because you are, as the client, as the patient, you are paying for it out of your settlement. So that's my 2 cents on that. I hope that was informative. I hope that is something that if you're an attorney and you're watching this, it's information you can help, that you can use to help your own clients wherever you are in the United States or elsewhere. And if you're a consumer, if you're injured in an accident, I hope that's information that you might keep in mind as you're going through the continuum of your medical treatment on your journey to better health and wellness. I'm attorney Ben Schwartz. Thanks for watching. If you have questions for me that relate to personal injury litigation or the law in general, feel free to send me an email. My email address is ben.schwartz@schwartzandschwartz.com. Feel free to comment on this video. If you have a question, put it in the comments to this video, and they'll show me all the comments. And if there's questions that I can answer in a follow-up video, I'll be more than happy to do that. Thanks for watching.